This video is intended for general audience, researchers and students of any domain or department. In this video, we will see how to effectively do literature review using Google Scholar. First of all, open Google Scholar and type in the keywords. Let's suppose I want to search articles on concrete printing and mixed design. So I type it in here in the search box. Now there are plenty of articles or papers available. So we need to filter these. Here on left panel, we can sort papers according to years or define a custom range. Another thing you can do here is to create a library on Google Scholar. You can create different labels. Then click the Save option under the research paper you want to save. Choose appropriate label and done. Cited by is also a very useful option. Try exploring that. Tell us in the comment section below about the tools you use for literature review. Press the like button if you found the content of this video interesting. Share this with your friends and subscribe to our channel Last Bencher Comrade for more such videos.